Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to Living Healthy with Cathy, where we share practical tips to help you live a healthier life. Today, I'm sharing a simple natural drink made with everyday kitchen ingredients. Garlic and ginger contain natural compounds that may help support your immune system. Lemon provides vitamin C, while honey can help soothe a sore throat. 2 grated garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon fresh grated ginger, juice of 1 fresh lemon, 1 tablespoon raw honey, and if you like, add a pinch of cayenne pepper for extra flavor. Supports to inflammation. Grate the garlic and ginger, then blend or mix everything well. Enjoy it fresh for your body. Turmeric and cayenne pepper ingredients that may also support. Simply grate the garlic and ginger, squeeze in the lemon juice, stir in the honey, add the optional ingredients if desired, then blend or mix everything well. Enjoy it fresh. Remember, this drink is not a cure for the flu. This isn't a replacement for treatment, but it's a comforting addition to a healthy diet. If you have a high fever or difficulty breathing or symptoms are severe, please see your healthcare provider promptly. Take care of your body, stay hydrated, get enough rest, and keep nourishing yourself with healthy choices. This is the healthy way. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Living God Bless You with good health, strength, and peace. See you in the next video. Subscribe to Living Healthy with Cathy for more trusted health tips. May God bless you with good health, strength, and peace. See you in the next video.